Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible cottage style bedroom decorating ideas. Let's start. Cottage style bedroom decor is characterized by its cozy, charming, and relaxed atmosphere, often with a nostalgic or vintage touch. Here are key elements that define this style. Soft color palette. Cottage style bedrooms typically feature soft, muted colors such as pastels, whites, creams, and light blues or greens. These colors create a calm and inviting space. Natural materials, wood, wicker, and rattan, are commonly used in furniture and decor. Painted or distressed wood furniture adds a rustic, lived-in feel. Floral and nature-inspired patterns, bedding, curtains, and cushions often feature floral patterns, gingham, or other nature-inspired designs, adding to the cozy and welcoming vibe. Vintage and mixed-matched furniture. Cottage style often embraces vintage or antique furniture, sometimes with a mix and match approach. This gives a room a collected over time look. Layered textures, soft linens, coils, throw blankets, and cushions are layered to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Like crochet and ruffled details are also common. Decorative accents. Decorative items like vintage lamps, framed botanical prints, fresh flowers in vases, and antique mirrors contribute to the overall charm. Cozy lighting. Soft ambient lighting is key in cottage-style bedrooms. Table lamps, fairy lights, or vintage-style candlelights to help create a warm and relaxing environment. This style is perfect for creating a serene and comfortable retreat, reminiscent of a quiet country cottage. Cottage-style bedroom decor is all about creating a space that feels both nostalgic and inviting, blending a sense of comfort with charming vintage elements. Here is a deeper look into this decor style. Furniture, beds. The bed is often the focal point, with choices like old iron, distressed oak, or upholstered headboards. Four-poster beds or those with canopies can also enhance the cozy, romantic feel. Dressers and nightstands. These are typically vintage or antique, often painted in soft colors or distressed finishes. Mixed-matched pieces can add character and a personalized touch. Setting. A cozy armchair or a small love set upholstered in floral or plaid fabric can make the room feel even more inviting. Adding a throw blanket or some cushions enhances the warmth. Bedding and textiles, quilts and blankets. Layering is key in a cottage-style bedroom. Use a mix of quilts, knitted blankets, and soft throws to create a comfortable lived-in look. a mix of pillows in different sizes and patterns, such as florals, stripes, and checks, adds to the layered effect. Don't shy away from using pillow stems with ruffles or lac. Rugs. Soft textured rugs, such as beaded or oven styles, are perfect for adding warmth underfoot. They can be neutral or feature subtle patterns that complement the overall color scheme. Walls and windows. Wall colors. Walls are usually painted in soft, neutral tones like creamy whites, soft gray, or pastel shades. Some cottage bedrooms might feature wallpaper with delicate floral patterns. Shiplap or bedboard. Adding shiplap or bedboard paneling to the walls enhances the rustic charm and gives the room a cottage feel. Window treatments. Curtains or drapes in light, airy fabrics like linen or cotton are common. They might feature delicate prints to be kept simple to let in natural light. Like curtains or shutters can also add a touch of vintage charm. Decorative elements, artwork and mirrors. Framed botanical prints, vintage artwork or mirror with distressed frames are popular choices. These pieces can add both visual interest and reflect lights to make the space feel larger. Accessories. Small decorative items like vintage clocks, old books, or collections of pretty ceramics or glassware can be displayed on shelves or dressers. Fresh flowers or potted plants bring a bit of the outdoors in, reinforcing the natural, peaceful vibe. Lighting. Vintage style lighting fixtures such as candeliers, wall sconces, or bedside lamps with fabric shades create a soft ambient glow. Adding a stirring of fairy lights can also enhance the cozy atmosphere. Overall atmosphere. The key to a successful cottage style bedroom is to create a space that feels timeless and comforting. The room should like it has been lovingly crafted over time, with each piece having its own story. This style is perfect for anyone who appreciates a blend of old and new, and who wants a bedroom that feels like a serene retreat from the modern world. By incorporating these elements, a cottage-style bedroom can become a tranquil and inviting space that evokes a sense of space and nostalgia. Incorporate vintage finds, antique pieces. Sourcing flower markets, estate sales, and thrift stores can yield unique vintage pieces that perfectly embody the cottage style. Look for items like old trunks, vintage dressers, or a classic vanity. These pieces often come with a history that adds character to the room. Repurposed furniture. Cottage style embraces creativity. Consider repurposing old drawers into headboards, using a vintage ladder as a blanket rack, or converting a wooden crater into a bedside table. These tight touches give the room a personalized feel. Flooring choice: wooden floors, natural wood floors, whether painted white, stained in a warm tone, or lived in their natural state, are a hallmark of cottage style. They add warmth and sense of history to the room. Rugs. Layering rugs over wooden floors not only adds texture but also introduce patterns and colors. Beaded, hooked, or flat over rugs with floral or plaid patterns are common in cottage-style bedrooms. Details and accents. Hardware. The little details matter in cottage style. Opt for windows-inspired hardware like glass or ceramic knobs on dressers and doors. These small changes can add a lot of charm to the space. Decorative plates and wall hangings. Hanging decorative plates on the walls or using wall baskets and open wall art can add visual interest and tie the room's elements together. Textile accents incorporating like dollies, embroidered linens, or handmade crochet items adds a nostalgic touch. These delicate textiles can be chopped over nightstands, dressers, or even the headboard. Ceilings and architectural details. Exposed beams. If your bedroom has exposed wooden beams, embrace them. They add an authentic rustic touch that enhances the cottage feel. Ceiling treatments. Adding bedboard or tongue and groove paneling to the ceiling can enhance the room's cozy, quiet aesthetic. Seasonal touches. Adapting decor for the seasons. Cottage style allows for easy seasonal updates. In spring and summer, you might swap out heavier blankets for lighter coils and bring in fresh flowers or greenery. In fall and winter, add heavier throws, candles, and perhaps a collection of pine cones or other natural elements. Seasonal colors. While the base colors palette remains soft and neutral, you can introduce deeper hues or richer tones with accessories like throw pillows or bed linens during different seasons. Balance between old and new. Blending styles. While cottage style heavily relies on vintage and antique pieces, it does not shy away from blending in some modern elements. A contemporary light fixture, for example, can bring a fresh twist to the decor. The key is to maintain a balance so that the room feels cozy and not overly themed. Personalization. Cottage style decor is very forgiving and versatile, allowing you to infuse your personality into the space, whether through family heirlooms, personal collections, or artwork. The goal is to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Mood and atmosphere, inviting and unpretentious. This essence of cottage style is that it is unpretentious and welcoming. It is the kind of space where you can kick off your shoes and relax, surrounded by items that make you feel comfortable and at ease. Layered comfort. This style is all about layers, not just in textiles, but the way the space is crafted. Layers of decor, from books stacked on a side table to a collection of vintage teacups, add depth and make the room feel lived in and loved. Subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.